chocolate chips. These are the ingredients you will need to make this mug cake. We will need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 pieces of chocolate. Now let's start making the mug cake. I am going to use a microwave safe bowl to add our ingredients. We're going to start with the flour. Then we're going to add the sugar. Next, I'm going to add the cocoa and baking powder. We'll have to sieve them both before adding. Add baking powder. And I'm going to use a spoon so that it goes in well. Next, we're going to add the milk and oil. And now we're going to whisk it. And after it's completely whisked, we'll add the chocolate. Okay, now I'm going to break my chocolate and I'm going to shake it before. Okay, I'm going to add both the chunks of chocolate. Well, now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute on high heat. After 1 minute, my cake is out of the microwave. It looks very delicious. And it's very soft and moist. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye.